Okay, so now that we have done some simplification, let's go ahead and prove identities, which is essentially the same thing. We just know where we're heading. So for these four, we're just going to look at opportunities to use our sum and difference formulas or identities to help get the job done. So for sine 2x, I'm going to use the same trick that we did with the cosine, and 2x is x plus x. And so now that I have it written that way, this is the sine of x, cosine of x, plus cosine of x, sine of x. And these products look different, but when we multiply sine times cosine and cosine times sine, right, that's just our commutative property. So these essentially are the same thing. So we basically have this product, sine times cosine, we've got it twice. All right, so that was proven real nicely. And the next one, looking at this, the worst side looks like with all this stuff with the signs and of a sum and the sign of a difference. So how about we rewrite that and see if we can't get the other side. So we'll start by rewriting this. This is the sine of x times the cosine of y, and then we're going to add the cosine of x times the sine of y. So there's the sine of a sum. All right, and then what about the sine of a difference? Well, that would be the sine of x cosine y minus cosine x sine of y. And looking at this real closely, right, here's a cosine x sine y, and there's a cosine x sine y, but one's addition, one's subtraction. So those cancel each other out. And then sine x cosine y, sine x cosine y, well, that's the same product occurring twice. So we've nailed that. That's what's on that other side. So we're off and we're ready to go. All right, and I just realized I made a mistake in the next one. So how about, let me just stop there real quick and I'll come back. I think I printed out the wrong handout because that should be a different sign. So hold on real quick. Let me go fix that problem. But there's the first couple. I'll fix the problem. We'll come do the next two in a video coming soon after I fix what I broke.